Hello everybody and welcome back once again to my channel. Yes, it is Christmas season and of course I've been planning. I am so sorry for not being consistent for the past few months now. I have been trying to get a lot of things put together. My sincerest apologies. Okay, so tell me if you're loving my new hairstyle. Are you loving my hair? Before I even go straight to this video, sweetheart, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click down below, subscribe, share to your friend, give this video a thumbs up, like this video. It is going to make YouTube understand that you guys enjoy watching informative content like this, and it's just going to help the YouTube algorithm in general. All right, then with that being said and with that gotten out of the way, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody who has been supporting my channel in one way or the other, for sharing my videos, for giving a thumbs up, for clicking the super thanks button down below, and also for commenting, asking questions. For those people that patronized me, that bought my skincare products, thank you so much. You're still holding a review. Please make sure you leave a review. I would be waiting. It would be thrilling for me to see your reviews and to engage with you guys. Okay, all right, so Nyechi is still available in case you want to work with me. I'm going to leave my email address on top right here, so do make sure you email me for any business inquiries. And once again, if you want to purchase my personalized handmade skincare products, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down below, so just hit my WhatsApp contact there and I'll be sure to deliver to you in case you're interested in buying my own skincare products. Okay, all right, now, well, I am going to say this: Merry Christmas. In case I don't know when this video is going to be put up on YouTube, but I would like to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. December is my birthday month. As you guys know, in a few weeks time I'll be turning +1, so make sure you wish me a happy birthday down the comment section down below. Okay, now for those of us that are new to this channel, I would like to say welcome once again. My name is Nyechi. Yes, it's going to be written down below for you guys to see. I want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for loving me. I love you so much also. Okay, all right, now I'm on TikTok and then I'm on Facebook with over 54,000 followers on my Facebook page, and then I'm also on Instagram, still trying to build my audience there on Instagram. Please make sure you follow me there, and then check out my TikTok page. Please make sure you show your girl support, all the support she needs in the world from you guys. Okay, all right, so now in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to use the kojic acid soap, how to use the Kojie sand soap correctly, so that you would have less side effects or no side effects at all, no reactions at all. Now this video I'm going to talk about that exclusively. Make sure you thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the super thanks button down below. Okay, all right, now I've seen a lot of people come to my Instagram page, send me messages on WhatsApp and on my email, asking me, Nyechi, please, how good is this soap? We want your opinion on how to use this soap correctly to avoid any reactions and to also get maximum results effectively, or effective results precisely. And I was like, okay, I would try to make this video, I would try to put out this content, but give me some time. And then I've gotten so many messages from people, and at some point I became overwhelmed and I'm like, okay, now I'm going to do this. Now I am going to put out this content. I'm going to let you guys know how to use the Kojie sand soap correctly. The first few things I'm going to share will be under the category of what to do and how to use it correctly. Number one, I will suggest, while using this soap, the Kojie sand soap or the kojic acid soap, you leave it for 4 minutes on your body. Remember, kojic acid is made from fermented rice and it is from the Philippines, and it's actually 100% kojic acid. It is very potent, it is very effective in reducing hyperpigmentation, clearing dark spots, dark scars, and all that. Now, in order to get maximum results, effective results from using the Kojie sand soap, I would suggest you leave the soap on your body for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, if you're using it on your face, there are things you have to consider. You have to consider if your face is super dry and sensitive, that is if you have a sensitive skin overall. But otherwise, if you do not have a sensitive skin, you could leave for 4 to 5 minutes or for 3 to 4 minutes. Now remember, if you have a very sensitive skin, you shouldn't leave on your skin for so long, maybe highest 3 minutes, but if you do not have a sensitive skin, you can leave it for 4 minutes on your skin. Yes, and then you wash it off. That's for tip number 1. Tip number 2, make sure you go in immediately with your body lotion. What do I mean by that? Make sure you use your body lotion immediately you come out from the shower. When you step out from the bathroom, use your body lotion, because kojic acid soap or the Kojie sand soap can be very, very drying. Be you a dry skin or an oily skin, it could really sap out extra moisture, so you need to quickly put in moisture back into your skin. Now, if you are on a skin lightening journey, or maybe you're on a journey to clear dark spots from your skin or lighten your skin, in order to make it more even, I suggest you quickly use your skin lightening body lotion immediately you come out from the shower. Your skin lightening body lotion is super drying. I suggest you go in with a body oil after you've applied your skin lightening body lotion. But if you're not on a skin lightening journey and you're just using a normal body lotion for maintenance or for brightening, just go ahead with your body lotion as long as it is super moisturizing. Because while using the Kojie sand or kojic acid soap, you need to immediately lock in back moisture and use a moisturizing body cream or body lotion. Is that clear? Third tip I have for you in order to use the kojic acid soap more correctly or effectively to get good results is make sure you use your bathing sponges or buffer. I don't know what you guys call it. For me, I use this right here. This is my exfoliating hand gloves. I use it on my skin, so you can use the Kojie sand soap with this in order to help exfoliate your skin and to make sure you get maximum results while using this product. You can also use body polishes like the Dove body polish, the St. Ives body polish. You wouldn't need an extra tough exfoliant at this time, because already kojic acid or the Kojie sand soap is very exfoliating. So I would suggest you minimize using any other actives at this time. Do more moisture combined with the kojic acid or the Kojie sand soap. Okay, now what not to do while using this product. Number 1, exposing your skin to sunlight or harsh environmental factors will not give you the results you want while using the kojic acid soap. Remember, I see this soap as a skin treatment, especially if you want to clear dark spots and have an even toned skin. Now, if you're using this soap and you want to get a lightened or a whitened or a lightened complexion, I will suggest you use cautiously. Remember, if you're trying to clear dark spots and you're exposing your skin to sunlight or harsh environmental factors, you will not like the results. Your skin will do what? Will start getting darker, especially when you get sunburned, and sunburn equals to the triggering of your melanocytes producing more melanin, which is that dark pigmentation. So if you do not want that, make sure you cover your skin. I would suggest you use the kojic acid soap at night. That is if you have a work that exposes you under the day, under the bright harsh sunlight. Now, if you're somebody like me who's in Nigeria, you would perfectly understand that the weather here is unfavorable and not your friend when you're trying to use products like that. Now, if you do not want skin thinning, having excessive green veins, or your green veins showing or popping up, you will need to cover your skin at this time and use hats and use sunscreens and use, any protective equipment you can find. Just make sure you cover your skin from the sun or from harsh climatic factors that could expose your skin to the triggering of pigmentation again. So make sure you cover your skin. Second thing you should not do if you want to achieve maximum results while using the Kojie Sand soap, especially if you purchase the original product, is using actives. What do I mean by that? You're using kojic acid soap and or any kojic acid product, and you're using other actives, you're using other skincare actives. I'm going to leave actives that do not react well with kojic acid on the screen. So if you are going to be on Kojie Sand or kojic acid, any kojic acid product precisely, please do not overuse other actives that may react harshly with this one. I always say use a product at a time to see the results. Yes, and be sure of what is giving you the results. Okay, like I said earlier on this video, it is highly beneficial you employ the usage of moisturizers. You use moisturizers a lot while on kojic acid or Kojie Sand soap. It is very good to avoid drying, which could, affect your skin in many ways. Now, the next thing is avoid using Kojie Sand soap on wounds and open areas on your skin. If you have a wound on your skin, treat it, cover it up. At this case, you don't need triggers, something that would make the wound hot. Try and let the wounded areas heal before you use the kojic acid soap. I don't know why I want to call it Kojie Sand soap. Okay, I would say that the Kojie Sand soap or the Kojie Sand soap. I know you guys understand what I'm trying to say, okay? When you're using Kojie Sand on your face, observe the results. If you use Kojie Sand on your face and you notice your face is not reacting properly with the soap, or maybe it's drying your skin, I would suggest you take it easy. What do I mean by that? You could reduce and use on the other areas of your body that needs the treatment. However, if you know that you do not experience any problems while using the soap, go ahead. Make sure you also employ the usage of a face moisturizer while you're using this product on your face, because there's every tendency that it could literally dry up your skin. I would suggest you use moisturizers that contain ceramides and peptides like CeraVe and the other ones that are very good. Repair your face first. Use a moisturizer. Pair your Kojie Sand soap with a moisturizer for your face. That is what I have to say. When you're using Kojie Sand soap, I will not suggest you use a lot of other skin lightening serums on your face, tube creams on your face. Do not do that. Do not do that. So just take it easy, little by little. Do not go and overdo it and get your face burnt, okay? Especially if you have pigmentation issues. Now, for skin of color, with every scratch, with every sensitivity or irritation, we burn and we pigment very easily. So you have to avoid that. Now, with that being said, best wishes and good luck. And if you've tried the Kojie Sand soap, the orange one, I'm going to leave the picture again. Please comment down below. I'd love to read your comments. If you've had also any negative reactions to the product, please make sure you comment down below. We would love to. This is a community, a beauty community. Share your ideas, share your experience. It is knowledge, and knowledge is power. Let us know. Teach a sister, train a brother, train a sister, encourage us, inspire us. Let us know what your experiences were while using any product, and however, if any product disturbs you to the extent that you've tried and tried and tried, just allow the product for a while. Discontinue usage. That is what I always tell you guys. Okay? I love you and see you in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Give a shout out by placing and clicking. Give a shout out by clicking on the super thanks below to show your appreciation. I'll see you in another video. Stay blessed and Merry Christmas. Bye. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.